Hello, everyone. Welcome back to today's episode. This is Zen, and today we're going to be going back and covering QUANT, QNT. This is an amazing project, and after this video, I think you'll probably believe so too. If you're new to this channel, I've made videos about QNT in the past, so make sure to go back, check these out. Lots of good information here. So, yeah, also please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. Please give me a comment in the comment section. Those all help. I don't say that enough. So today we're going to be talking about QNT. So why we're going to talk about QNT? There's been lots of buzz around QNT. Also, OVN is supposed to go live this month. So lots of big happenings. It's also, I called it the great store of value a while ago, and I think we've proved that now. We've kept the same price. I'll get into this in a little bit, but whether Bitcoin was 60,000, whether it was 30,000, we've held strong at 40 bucks. So it's a great store of value, and we'll cover that in a minute. So find out why Oracle thinks Quant is building a bridge to help blockchain take off. Let's check out this article. So Oracle, reimagining startups, enterprise innovation. So let's read this article. Building a bridge to help blockchain take off. So what does that mean? Security, traceability, transparency. That's what blockchain brings enterprises. But broader adoption has been hamstrung by the lack of interoperability. Different blockchains can't talk to each other. Quant Network solves that with Overledger. So Overledger, so if you imagine this, XRP is the interledger, what all the different coins are able to talk and connect with. The Overledger is the Overledger. It's all the different networks interoperability. So they're both are essential in this new world. The blockchain orchestration middleware gets those blockchains talking. That's what the Overledger does. The system is designed to provide any network in the world with a gateway to all other blockchains, allowing companies to develop new solutions by incorporating features from multiple blockchain applications. The solution is used by major European firms like SIA and KPMG to bring the security and flexibility of blockchain to the financial sector. For SIA, the financial services company can bridge permission blockchains to allow cross-platform applications and services like notarization, payments, and know your customer requirements. KPMG reported that services worked more smoothly when built on Oracle Cloud than anywhere else. You know, Oracle is huge too. So yeah, this is Oracle's official blog. So who is SIA? SIA is a major company in the UK that works with central banks. I'll show you that here. So about SIA. It's a subsidiary of CDP, a European leader in design, creation, and management of technology, infrastructures, and services for financial institutions, central banks, corporates, and the public sector in the areas of card and merchant solutions, digital payment solutions, and capital markets and network solutions. SIA Group provides its best in over 50 countries. It operates in Greece, Romania, Serbia, UK, Poland, all over the world. Deutsche Bank, tons of this stuff. It shows you the history of innovation on their website, and ongoing is a digital platform based on blockchain and payments, digital onboarding. So they're preparing for the future. They know what we know. They know blockchain and these decentralized technologies are the future. So we're also big fans. If you go to the official London blockchain website, the United Kingdom official website, Gilbert Verdian, however you say it, is listed. He is the founder of the TC307 blockchain ISO standard. So Gilbert, this is what they say here, Gilbert is building the Internet of Trust by converging blockchain, AI, and cybersecurity as the founder and CEO of Quant Network, tasked with connecting the world's network to blockchains. So he previously worked with the UK faster payment provider. He also has 20 years of industry experience with the government, from the Treasury to the Cabinet Office to the Ministry of Justice to health to the private sector to even HSBC, who partners with Ripple, and Chris Larson's on the board there. He has a keen interest in disruptive technology. He's the author behind blockchain ISO standard TC307. I already said that. And he's also on the chair of the UK's National Committee on Blockchain and Distributed Ledger Technologies. So this guy is highly credible, and he's highly credible. So that's why I believe QNT is doing something major. So if we look here, they've also been, Quant has been shortlisted for the KPMG UK Tech Innovator competition. So this company's been around for 150 years, and they selected QNT as the next big tech in the UK. So it's making a lot of noise. There's even speculation I've heard about Gilbert talking with the Flare team about connecting to Flare, and that would be awesome. Here's another quote. We are working across financial infrastructure with payments and settlement, capital markets to move digital assets and tokenized securities in the U.S. and starting work starting work with central banks across digital assets. We're in the middle of shaping the financial system of the future. So QNT is one of those projects that are actually working with central banks. That's where all the money is. So according to this tweet, it's they're working with MIT, the Fed, United Kingdom's government. You can look at it here. Hyperledger, Amazon Web Service, Oracle, Gartner, Alliance Block. So major. And it's only a $500 million market cap, give or take. One of these people go all in, it skyrockets. And then they go, Zen, I could buy Casino Coin for less than a penny right now. Why should I buy QNT when it's almost $50? Because the tokenomics are so incredible for QNT. So if at XRP's current market cap, a single QNT would be worth $3,000 each. If QNT reached XRP's December 2017 market cap, which is 88 billion, a single QNT would be worth 6,875. Imagine the numbers when the space blows up beyond 10 trillion and the top 50 are all 50 billion plus. Wow. So there's only 14 million QNT tokens. About 80% of the supply is already in circulation. It's probably gonna be one of the first coins to actually basically have a supply shortage. There's not enough to go around. There's not that many holders. I think there's like 20,000 of us QNT army people. But yeah, so because there's only 14 million, it's the price would skyrocket. That's why I recommend like have at least 10. If it hits 3,000, if it hits $6,000, that's gonna be $30,000 to $60,000. So there's so much room to grow. Also, just bringing back this point that I started off on this video, the purpose, I've said this for a long time, the purpose for QNT in my portfolio is store value. QNT, a lot of people get bored with it because it doesn't really, it kind of stays stable. So April 16th, Bitcoin was 64,500. April 16th, same day, QNT was $40.50. Today, Bitcoin, this is June 8th, Bitcoin was 32,000. QNT was $41. It actually went up. Because QNT's tokenomics are so strong, it's one of the few coins that doesn't really depend on Bitcoin. I believe if we entered a bear market, which I don't believe we are in, just like how Chainlink was able to thrive in a bear market, this is going to be another one of those coins that is going to be able to thrive because of how undervalued it is. So June 9th, Gilbert, we're having the ISO Standards T307 closing plenary today with participants from all over the world. They're going to have another one in 6 months' time. So he's busy. He's a busy guy. I don't think someone that's sitting on the boards of those type of projects are going to be embarrassing themselves. So I think QNT is an easy win. Let's read some other people's posts. QNT has been recognized and nominated by KPMG for Tech Innovator Award. QNT OVN is about to go live any day now at Bitcoin's all-time high of 64,000. Quant was at $40 today. It's basically the same thing I said. There isn't anything else in crypto that has as solid as QNT. In fact, that's what this guy says. So at 60, it would be worth $100. This is the QNT. Yeah, so lots of room for growth, and with OVN going live, we should keep going. So that's it for today. Let me know if you guys want some other altcoins that you want me to touch on again. And everybody, have an awesome day. Peace.